This is the final video in this series. I'm just going to describe shortly what each of the videos shows so you can navigate it easier yourself. In the first 15 videos, I go into installing Python, installing PyCharm, and the basic syntax. So if you haven't done anything previously in Python, these are the videos to start with. Videos 15, 16, 22, 27, and 28 all describe aspects of Git and how to get started with it. In short, Git is a versioning system that allows you to keep track of what you've done and allows you to go back to previous work if something goes wrong. Now, before you start a project, you should watch these videos because it shows you how to get everything set up and how to get it working so that later on you're not going to get stuck with a huge bunch of spaghetti code. Videos 24, 25, and 36 all describe what classes are and how they work. So then we move on to testing, for which I have 6 videos in total. And honestly, this is possibly the most important aspect of everything, as it it's really what makes the difference between somebody who can program and somebody who writes code. It's if you want to make something that works, you don't really need to test it. If you want to make something that works and you want to give it to somebody else, or you want to work with it in a team, or you want to deliver a final product, really, this is what is going to make the difference. So those 6 videos, if you have some experience and you feel like shortly watching a video, those would be the ones to watch. And then I have some miscellaneous videos of me just showing myself working uh, at the end. So I hope you enjoyed watching this. I hope you learned something. And if you feel anything's missing, please let me know, and I'll see if I can make an extra video for you.